Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. But today we will not have a Gunpla, but we'll have a Beyblade again. And this is a fake Beyblade, yeah. Fake Shark Edge. And yeah, this is the only packaging for this one. And yeah, let's try to open this. And it's just a plastic. And yeah, after unpacking this one and see the parts, we will have a spin test for this, and also the very best part is the test battles. Okay, so now let's open. Let's go. And that's how fast we can open this, because it only has 3 parts: your blade, your ratchet, and your beat. And our ratchet is 380, as I know it's 380 or 360. Yeah, then we have this blade of our Shark Edge, as you can see there. And yeah, the thing, because it's fake, you can see that it's called Bey Super and not a Beyblade. And then this is the beat of our Shark Edge, which is like this one. I don't know what this is it called, but yeah, it has still those gears at the side, which will go on the feet of our stadium and on the grooves of our stadium, and will go having that extreme dash. So let's try to combine this one, and let's see the Shark Edge and what is its performance. So that's how fast we can have our Shark Edge. And as you can see, this is how you can determine the fake from a original one, because I have here my my Dransword, which is, as you can see, the metals right here is very different, and the weight also, the weight a little bit same for me. Okay, so here you can see there is a Beyblade X name on the original one, and then the metal part also is very not so shiny. Yeah, it's more on matte or mate, yep. And then here you can see this one, it's very shiny. Yeah, and then I also have some fake Dransword also, or Dransword, it's not Dransword, but Drancer is also the version of the Drancer S on its Beyblade X version. Okay, which I already have some spin tests and spin battles, or test battles. As you can see, the colors on the side of its blade was already chipping because of those battles. It's very hard battle. Yeah, so if the blade has some colors and not on this kind of colors, which is very metallic, you can really see that the paint will chip. Okay, so be careful in having those colored blades. Okay, yeah, so much for that. This is your Shark Edge. And yeah, let's try have first let's have a spin test, and then let's have a battle for this one. So this is your Shark Edge. Let's go. Let's have a spin test and a test battle, or a battle test. Let's go. Okay, so now we have here our Beyblade X Stadium, and this is also a bootleg one, but yeah, it still functions the same. It has those grooves at the side, and yeah, it's still okay. Yeah, even it goes so many battles already. I've made so many battles right here. And yeah, I will check first if all those grooves are okay. Are they still on its sides? And yeah, they're still okay right here. So yeah, now we can have a spin test, and I will use, this is an original launcher. It's a Beyblade X Winder launcher. And then we have this fake, what you call this one? They call this a standard gyro, but yeah, it is a fake handle for Beyblade X. But yeah, it does the thing, so it's also nice. Okay, so with our Shark Edge, and then with our original Beyblade X Winder launcher, and then we also have this one. So let's see what will be the performance of our Shark Edge. Okay, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa, Shark Edge, nice. Okay, it's winding, it's spinning, but yeah, think it's very high, and now it's gone. Yeah. Okay, so that's our spin test. I think I will do another one, just a normal one, because I've done something, a stance that makes the Shark Edge do those sideways launch. So let's try again. Whoa. So yeah, so really Shark Edge do those sideways, as you can see, even I do the normal launch. Oh, it's very different on its performance. Yeah. Okay, so next let's have a test battle with our Shark Edge, and yeah, I think I will have first Shark Edge versus our very own Dran Sword. Okay, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Original versus fake, and yeah, the original wins. Yeah, again, let's try it again with the Dran Sword goes first, and then the Shark Edge. Okay, sword first. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa! And yeah. So as you can see, there's really a handicap if someone goes first. And yeah, let's try to launch them together, because I have here an equipment that I can launch them together, which using this, it's a fake winder launcher. But yeah, let's see what will happen if we will do it on same time. I'll launch them on same time. Okay, so I will try to launch them at this kind of launching or launchers. It's a string launcher for Beyblade X, and yeah, they're not suitable to do this, but let's try so that we can have a same launching. Okay, so let's go. Let's have this. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, wow. So still Dran Sword wins. Another one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. And yeah, Dran Sword still have that. Yeah. Now next, let's try Shark Edge versus the original whole sight right here. Okay, with using this winder right now, a ripcord winder. Okay, we're gonna go shoot. We're gonna go shoot. Oh! Hell sight destroyed the Shark Edge. It's the fake Shark Edge, but still it destroys it. It's a burst. Wow, it's so strong. So let's have another try for Shark Edge using a different one. And yeah, its blade doesn't do anything and let it win. But yeah, it got bursted. Okay, let's go. Now let's have Shark Edge versus the Beyblade X Dranzer S, and it's also a fake. So fake versus fake. Let's go. If the Shark Edge has an edge on winning this battle. Let's go. Let's have the Dranzer S first, and then the Shark Edge. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa. Oh. That's great. And the Dranzer S wins on that fight. Okay, so still the still our Shark Edge doesn't have an edge to win on those battles. Okay, another try, let's go. Okay, another try, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Ah. Still, our Dranzer S wins. Even it is an unboxing and a review for Shark Edge, but still, Shark Edge lost almost of all the battles here. But yeah, this is a fake one, so maybe we can really see that maybe Shark Edge of fake Beyblade will never win from a battle with an original one. But yeah, let's try it again with the Dranzord. Yeah, let's see if it can fight doing this launcher only. So let's go, let's have it. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Oh, 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 whoa! Shark Edge wins for that battle, but yeah, it's a handicap because our Shark Edge goes after our Dranzord. Now let's try if the Dranzord goes after the Shark Edge. Let's see if the Shark Edge can still win on a battle against this original one. Let's go. Don't go shoot. 3, don't go shoot. Whoa! That's a big hit. Let's see what will happen. Their staminas are okay. Shark Edge still wins on that. That's a big hit for those two. They're both on attack kind of Beyblade, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's our Beyblade X review for today, and that is for your Shark Edge. We have so much mislaunch on that video, but yeah, it's a fake one. I think it's only good for $2 maybe, or 100 pesos here in the Philippines. And yeah, even it's fake, it's metal, it's yeah, it depends on you if you are okay with those Beyblade which is fake one. It really depends on your perspective, but yeah, for me it's okay. If you can afford the original one, why not have some of it just for play? Okay, not for collection, just for playing. You just want to play, so have it. Okay, so that's it. Oh. It goes out on the stadium. But yeah, that's our review for today. It's very messy because yeah, I only have this one and I'm the only one doing this vlog. No one plays with me here. So yeah, that's our Shark Edge. And yeah, that's our Shark Edge. So that's our Shark Edge, a bootleg one, a fake Shark Edge. Maybe we'll have a Takaratomi Shark Edge next time because it's part of a booster pack and a random booster pack. So maybe if I will have those, because I have 2 booster packs which it has the Shark Edge, but maybe I will have the Shark Edge or not. So that's a very mysterious one. Unboxing next time. Okay, so that's our bootleg Shark Edge. That's it. And if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button to inform for my next videos. Okay, so let's play more Beyblade next time, and yeah, more Beyblade X next time, and maybe more of the Beyblade Burst also. Okay, that's it. Thank you and goodbye. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake La Paz signing off, and Gabber Show signing off. If it's at Gunpla, but yeah, still